In this video, we'll use Cramer's rule to solve a 2x2 system of equations. This is your general rule for solving the equations. We have your system of equations here. To calculate the values of x and y are written here. So what we basically do, we calculate the determinant of the matrix before we start. We need that value first. And then we need to calculate a new determinant, which will be the numerator here and here. What you need to do is to calculate the x value, EF is written in here and replaces AC. And BD is written as normal here. To calculate for the y, we take EF and replace into the second column, which is really your y column. And then the AC values stay as normal there. Okay, it will be clearer when we do an example. So here's your system of equations. 8x plus 5y equals 2. 2x minus 4y equals minus 10. The first thing we need to do is calculate the determinant of the coefficient matrix. So we write the coefficients in, 8, 5, 2 minus 4, and we find this determinant. So that's going to give us 8 times minus 4 minus 5 times 2. So that's minus 32 minus 10, which is minus 42. So that's your determinant of the coefficient matrix. What we can do, we can write that number into your formulas here. Minus 42, minus 42. So what we need to do now is calculate x. So if you look at our two values, constants on the end, 2 minus 10. Those are written into the first position. So 2 minus 10. And then we copy down the two values in the second part. So 5 minus 4. So we got to calculate the determinant of that matrix too. So 2 minus 4 minus 5 times minus 10 divided by minus 42. So 2 times minus 4, minus 8, minus 5 times minus 10 plus 50 on minus 42. So you've got 42 on minus 42, which is minus 1. So that's your first answer. Now we do the same for y. So for y, we keep the first two numbers in position, A2, and then replace the second column with the constants, which is 2 minus 10. Find your determinant, 8 times minus 10, minus 2 times 2, divided by minus 42. So this will give you minus 80, minus 4, divided by minus 42. Minus 84 on minus 42, which is 2. So your solution to the system is of xy would be minus 1, 2. In the next video, we'll do the 3 by 3 matrix.